Well, it's Lexi. Nesting. Really? What's this? What's this? Lex? Lex? Levi, that's for Lexi. Yeah, look at what a soft bite she has. Here, sweet girl. Oh, here, baby. Lex, look at what a soft bite she has. Then there's Levi. Gentle. He had a really hard bite before. I've been working with him where I can hold it and he doesn't fight. Yeah, you're doing good, Levi. Soft bite. Very good. Very good, you guys. Wow. Lexi? Lexi. And she'll wait till I offer it. There we go. Very soft bite. And Levi. Levi. Very soft bite. Very good. You have made such great progress, Levi. And Lex. You guys did very good. Very good. Right, Lex? Right, Lex? She's just calm. He just wants more, don't you? Yeah, you do. Okay, they got their treats. They're very happy puppies. Right, Levi? Right, Lex? Yeah. Okay. We're going to cut this off. Bye. Bye.